You know, to tell you, the Beatles didn't perform much, for long. That's about it. And we have our last number in front of us. And on behalf of our band, we'd like to thank you all for being so wonderful, for coming down, up here, not down here, up here. And we'll throw in the last number. And at the very end, you're supposed to sing. So hopefully you're going to join in. And here comes our final number.
We hope we pass the audition.
Yeah, we hope we pass the audition. Well, here comes our final number. It's going to be sung by our Paulie. Here it comes.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go together. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. And every time you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world up on your shoulder. Well, you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder.
Stitlemän auf Negunzo! Stitlemän auf Negunzo! Kom!
Haide, dă-te microfonul tăpoi! Ne bem ti čekaj! Next clear, next ritmo, tamne, very fast, very going to home. Thank you very much. Haide! Kaj se pa tu zdaj pravne? On man, thank you. Peti, thank you, Liverpool. Madonna. Haide, snimate, boste tu leo snimate, ali ne?